Welcome to our first class of our 7 Days of Yoga series. I hope today's short sequence helps you feel inspired and excited for this challenge. We'll begin in Child's Pose today, so release your arms back or extend them forward with your forehead relaxed on the floor. Gently extend your arms forward if they're not already there. And then bring both hands over to the right side, stretching a bit deeper into your left side. Then over to the left side to lengthen the right side of your body. Back to the middle and then slowly come up into your tabletop position. Hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Here we'll start with a couple rounds of cat-cow. So on your inhalation, arch the back and look up slightly. And exhale, round the spine and bring your gaze to your belly. Again, inhale, look up. And exhale, gaze down. A few more rounds following your natural breath. Come back into tabletop and then lift up into downward facing dog. Walk out your legs by bending one knee at a time, warming up the hamstrings and waking up the body. Extend both legs, shift forward into your plank position, and for our first round of Chaturanga, let's modify by bringing the knees to the mat first. Bend the elbows to lower down. Inhale into Cobra, keep the elbows bent. Then come into Tabletop and from there lift up into Downward Facing Dog. Take a few steps forward into Uttanasana, forward fold, and feel free to keep the knees bent here for now. Bring your hands to the opposite elbows and start rocking from side to side. Then forward and back. Release your hands and slowly roll up all the way to standing. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, bring the hands into prayer and release them to your sides. Bring your feet about hip distance apart and feel the ground underneath them. For our first round of Sun Salutation A, inhale both arms up to the sky and exhale, fold into your Uttanasana forward fold. Inhale and straighten your back into your half forward fold, and exhale, step back into plank position. You can bring your knees down again or join me for full Chaturanga. So for our Chaturanga, inhale, shift forward and exhale, lower down. Inhale to Cobra or Up Dog and exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Then step forward into your half forward fold, back straight, and exhale, release your upper body down. Inhale all the way up into Tadasana, reaching both arms up to the sky, and exhale, hands to your heart. Let's do one more round. So inhale, reach up, and exhale into Uttanasana. Inhale, half forward fold, and exhale, step back to plank or hop back straight into Chaturanga. Lower down, and inhale into Upward Facing Dog. Exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Take a few steps or hop forward into your half forward fold, and then release into your Uttanasana. Inhale, slowly roll up, and reach both arms up to the sky, and exhale, hands to your heart. Close your eyes and take this moment to relax. Make sure your feet are hip distance apart. Then inhale, reach both arms up, and exhale into Uttanasana. Inhale, half forward fold, and exhale, back to plank. Shift forward for Chaturanga. Inhale, Up Dog, and exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Take a few steps or hop forward and land on your back. Hug both knees into your chest and maybe rock from side to side if that feels good today. Then extend the left leg along the mat and keep the right knee in. For our spinal twist, bring the left hand to the outside of your right knee. Extend your right arm to the right side and draw the right knee over to the left side while bringing your gaze to the right hand. Release and hug both knees with your hands. Extend your right leg along the mat and keep your left knee in. For our spinal twist, bring the right hand to the left knee, extending the left arm and rolling over to your right side, gazing to the left hand. Release, hug both knees in, and for our butterfly, ground your feet. Bring the soles of your feet together and allow the hips to open. If it feels good, you can bring your hands to your thighs and lightly press your legs away from the upper body to create a lengthening sensation in the lower back area. Gently bring both knees in and release into your Shavasana. Extend your legs wide along the mat and allow the feet to relax. Release your arms to your sides with the palms facing up. Close your eyes and try to relax every muscle in your body. You're welcome to stay here as long as you like. If you want to finish your yoga practice with me, start to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees and roll over to one side, coming into a comfortable seated position. On your next inhalation, reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring both hands down into prayer, thanking yourself for your beautiful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye!